Hello friends, welcome to my channel Mathematics Lessons with Sharif. If you are watching my channel for the first time, I request you to all subscribe and press the bell icon so that you will get the notification whenever I will make a new problem video. Now the problem in this video that you are seeing is to find the number of real solutions of the equation sin e power x multiplied by cos e power x equal to 2 power x minus 2 plus 2 power minus x minus 2. Let us see how to solve the problem. So LHS and RHS are given. So how to find the number of real solutions means the values of x which satisfy the given equation. We will see that. Okay. So don't go anywhere. Please watch my video till the end. So let us see the solution of this problem, my dear students. On the LHS, what I am doing, multiplying and dividing with 2, then what happens? 1 by 2 into, I can write 2 sin e power x cos e power x. 2 sin a cos a means it is sin 2a, it becomes sin 2 into e power x equal to, on the RHS, it is 2 power x upon 2 square. This is 2 power minus x upon 2 square, that is 1 by 4 multiplied by 2 power x plus 2 power minus x. Now we are having a inequality that arithmetic mean is always greater than or equal to geometric mean for any two positive quantities. So the arithmetic mean of these two quantities 2 power x plus 2 power minus x is 2 power x plus 2 power minus x upon 2 should be greater than or equal to 2 times the geometric mean means under root of 2 power x into 2 power minus x, that will become 1. So this is the property that I applied here, arithmetic mean greater than or equal to geometric mean, and 1 by 4 is already there, so into 1 by 4. So this is one quantity, for example it is x or a, if it is b, so a equal to b, but both a and b, a equal to b greater than or equal to 2 into 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 into sine of 2 into e power x must be greater than or equal to 2 into 1 by 4 will become 1 by 2. If we cancel half there, so sine into 2 into e power x should be greater than or equal to 1. But as you know that sine values can never be more than 1, so equality comes here. So sine of 2 into e power x must be equal to 1. So if you take the same thing for here, if you take this is taking the equality 1 but not more than 1. So here we should take the equality between these two, because this is taking the equality here, therefore here also we should take the equality. So 1 by 4 into 2 power x plus 2 power minus x greater than or equal to 1 by 4 into 2 we are having, but equality takes place at what value? But equality takes place when 2 power x should be equal to 2 power minus x should be equal to 1. Both values should be equal, then only you get the equality here. 2 power x equal to 2 power minus x equal to 1, both should be equal to 1, then 1 plus 1 will become 2, 2 into 1 by 4 equal to 2 into 1 by 4, then equality will arise. But 2 power x equal to 2 power minus x equal to 1 implies x must be 0. So if x equal to 0, come to this condition. So sine of 2 into e power x means e power 0 should be equal to 1, that is sine 2 should be equal to 1. But this condition is not a true statement, this is a wrong statement, because the sine 2 value cannot be 1. This is a wrong conclusion we got. It means that there exists no x satisfying the given equation. Therefore, how many number of solutions that you can see here? So number of solutions number of solutions must be equal to 0. I hope you understand this problem. If you do understand, please like my videos and please share it to your friends, especially those who are preparing for JEE. This is Sharif sir signing off. Thank you very much for watching.